Hey guys, welcome back to Comment Bagger. It's Chad. Alright, so what Greggy and I are going to do today is we're going to put 4-point docking hardware system on my 2021 Road Glide Special. So this 4-point docking hardware system, this is the system that goes on. You can attach your Tour-Pak to it, your sissy bar. If you do one of those solo Tour-Pak racks, you can do that too. It's basically anything that wants to connect to that docking hardware on the back of your bike. So we'll walk you through it step by step. There is a section that I labeled very important, and you'll notice because it says important, and it flashes. Make sure you pay attention to that section. That's the section that everybody always gets confused on. And it just comes down to like mounting the docking point in a certain position. But a lot of people will be like, oh, I installed my hardware and now it won't latch in. So this is the section where you would actually have to pay attention. So as always, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. It's another 93-degree scorcher here in Massachusetts today. So we're getting it done for you though. Thanks for watching.
So the first step is simply removing the filler piece. To do that, you just pull it out. Place the mounting bracket in the rail. When you do, you just want to make sure that the longer shaft is towards the front of the bike. If you notice too, this will allow the holes to line up. Take one of the 4 supplied bolts and put some Loctite on it. This goes back to the age-old adage, is it blue Loctite or red Loctite? We use blue, but you use whatever you want. Just make sure you use some type of Loctite. Now go ahead and you can put those bolts in. Switching over to the other side, again you want to make sure that that longer shaft is towards the front of the bike. The install process is basically the same for both sides. Be sure to use Loctite, you don't want that thing to rattle loose. Alright, Greg is going to go ahead and tighten up this side. I figured I'd show you guys both sides so that we could see it from both angles. Once you have everything hand tight, go ahead and tighten everything down to factory spec. Alright, this next part is very important, so pay attention. Each spacer has 2 grooves on it. You want to have one groove at 12 o'clock and the other one at 9 o'clock facing the rear of the bike. If you do not do this, the docking point will not work. The docking points aren't actually circular, they're oblong. So if you don't have them in the right orientation, when you go to lock your Tour-Pak onto it, the cams won't actually turn and click in like they're supposed to. For the front longer shaft, you're going to insert the washer, then the spacer, and then the docking point. Put the screw on the end. For the shorter shaft, you're going to put the washer on, then the docking point, and then put the screw in. You'll want to use Loctite. Once you have your docking points in the proper orientation, go ahead and tighten everything down.
Hey you, remember to hit that subscribe button.
And check out our featured videos.